Okay, here we are on the notes for multi-step problems, all operations. So now we have 3 steps to follow. The first step is, this is the new one. First, we distribute. Okay. Then once you've done the distribution, then it's like back to normal. So then you undo addition and subtraction, and then undo multiplication and division. Okay. So if I look at number 1 here, 4 times the quantity 2x plus 4 equals 56. So I distribute the 4 to both places. So 4 times 2x is 8x, plus 4 times 4 is 16 equals 56. So now this is like we did yesterday. So I subtract 16 from both sides. So I get 8x equals 40. And then I would divide both sides by 8. So I would get x equals 5. And I'm going to skip the checks for now. Number 2 here, I'm going to distribute a 2. So 2 times x would be 2x, plus 2 times 3 is 6, equals negative 18. So I would subtract 6 on both sides. So I'd get 2x equals negative 18 minus 6 would be negative 24. Divide both sides by 2. So I get x equals negative 12. And number 3, now here I've got a negative 4 to distribute. So don't forget that part. So negative 4 times 3 would be negative 12m. Negative 4 times negative 3 would be positive 12 equals negative 24. I subtract 12 on both sides. So I get negative 12m equals negative 36. Divide by negative 12 on both sides, and I get m equals 3. Okay. So moving down the page here, just a few more left. So just because things are kind of flip-flop now here, number 4, it works the same way. So I'm distributing the negative 5 to both parts. So 35 equals negative 20 plus 15x. Now, this minus 20, this is what I'm taking care of now. I'm going to add 20 to both sides. So I get 55 equals 15x. So now I would divide by 15 on both sides, and it's not going to come out pretty, and that's okay. You can just leave it. You can simplify it, I guess. We can divide by 5, so it would be like 11 thirds. Oops. 11 thirds. Or you could say 55 15ths, either one. All right, in the next one, I'm going to distribute the negative 3. So 93 equals negative 30x plus 33. So I would subtract 33 from both sides. So I get 60 equals negative 30x. Divide both sides by negative 30. So I get negative 2 equals x. And then the last one here, I'm distributing a negative 8. Negative 8 times k is negative 8k. Minus 32 equals 48. I add 32 to both sides. So I would get negative 8k equals 80. Divide both sides by negative 8. I get k equals negative. Okay? So really just a distribution part, but that's not the first time you've seen that. And then the second and third step are the same as what we did the past 2 days. So that's all I'll do for now. We'll do some more practice together in class.